What's up, Prince Squad? I'm back with another video, and if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, Prince Squad, this has been a rough time for me. Anyway, I'm kind of having to go ahead and try to get a video done so that I can use this water-based ink. I was wanting to let you guys know what I got back from ISS, so I'm going to try to do that in this video today. So I'm going to go ahead and set everything up and start showing y'all. Alright, squad, I have my bags right over here. I didn't really get that much stuff. It seemed like people weren't really trying to give out as much this year. Like right here, it was hard to get shirts. They was keeping the shirts on the screen printing machines and everything. But these are, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags right here. I actually did have a little bit more, but you know, I gave some of the shirts away that I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through and try to show you guys what I got. Alright, right here I got some of that PMI palette tape right here. It's that double-sided palette adhesive. From Ryannet I got right here, this is emulsion stripper, which, as y'all know, I have a dip tank, but I'll probably use it. Then I have like some Comet White. That's the water-based ink that Ryannet sells. Right here, if y'all can see it. And right here, this is a chemical kit. It's right here, it's from Ryannet also. This is the S Green. It's got ink degrader, degreaser, aqua wash, supreme wash, emulsion stripper, and haze remover right here, all in one box. I'll have to do a video on that for you guys. Okay, we're gonna get into the next bag. I'm gonna say that one for last. All right, right here. I caught Ryannet on the last day. So right here, as you see, I got some more aqua wash. You can remove the dried water-based ink in the screens, and I will be using water-based ink to print today, so you know, I will be using that. Right here, there's another aqua wash. Okay, I got the white ink, whatever, financially necessary white, and it's low cure right here. Water-based ink from Ryannet. I got the pitch black right here from Ryannet. And the reason I was able to get multiple colors is because it was the last day and they was trying to get rid of everything. So right here you got Proton purple right there, and I also have Stardust yellow. Oh, that's Starburst yellow right there. So that's the water-based inks that I have. I'll be using that black here shortly. Alright, and as y'all see, it's not much in those bags. I'm on to bag number 3. Alright, I actually won this right here from GSG. When you go to ISS, GSG has stickers. If they see you with stickers on, sometimes you can win stuff. But this is actually like an apron for like if you cook. But it's like really nice you know, embroidery on there, right there, as you see. So I can put that on my neck while I'm cooking me some food, or cooking my kids some food, something, you know. I'll do a little something with it. Alright, let me see. And a lot of people were giving away pens, so I got all kind of ink pens right here. Just some different pens from GSG, from what's that, Reflective Supply Company. Yeah, the GSG. I got the kind of lime green and gray, because if you guys know me, y'all know that's my colors that I like. Another GSG pen. I actually got some vinyl from Specialty, I think that's Specialty Supply, Specialty Materials. I couldn't think of it, but yeah, it's actually 2 different vinyls. Let me see, I'm gonna kind of show it to y'all a little bit. Right here, as y'all see, I don't know if y'all can even see, but I'm gonna have to use that for something. But it's the Deco Film Rainbow Oil. That's what it is. As you see, it kind of looks like rainbow oil if you see on there. And this green, which is Thermoflex Plus Kelly Green. So yeah, I'll be doing a little something with that, just to kind of try to show off a little bit. And that's Specialty Materials right there. You can see specialty materials. Put this rubber band back on here. Alright, I got several business cards, graphic elephants right here. I got some GSG chapstick, and I actually have two because I already had one, but somebody else had gave me one. Then I got right here the GSG notepads. Who can get enough notepads right there from GSG? Let me see. More pens. This one is from SPSI right there. Let me see what else is in this bag. Oh, Tootsie Roll. I'm gonna eat that shortly. And then right here I got GSG. You know, I told y'all I had the 2 chapsticks. I got a sticker from Ryanette. This is powering the print. I need to get me some stickers made, y'all. I really do. Another GSG pen. They was like trying to give everything away because, you know, it was the last day, so people didn't want to have to pack up a lot of stuff. So yeah, if you go on the last day, you can get a lot of stuff. Okay, this is from Ryanette. It's kind of got messed up. My kids will probably want this sticker. You want this sticker, son? It's a SpongeBob kind of sticker. Alright, right here I got another notepad. It's like a bigger notepad from GSG. And where's that at? Where's that journal at? I got a journal somewhere. I don't even know. Do I even have it? It's a really nice journal, y'all. Got another notepad from TechSource right here. Oh, here it is. This is the ISS journal. I thought it was nicer than this. For some reason, I was thinking it was leather. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. I don't know. I guess the fumes. The fumes. Right here. But this is like a little journal right here, notebook. Let me see. I got, what is this? Well, this is just the all the information about that show that I attended. The show specials right here from GSG if you're looking to buy some equipment. And right here, these are just, this is from Stalls right here. And let me see if their logo, well, their logo is small on here. You can see it bigger back here on the back. You can see it bigger back here on the back. But yeah, this is their some of their stuff that you use. They printed a thing like this. It's like 3D print. I don't know if y'all can tell right there, 3D. But that's kind of like what they printed on that hat if y'all watching my videos. Okay, I got All Style. Right here I have their color swatches. This is 2019. 2019 is about done. I'm ready to get the 2020 ones. Let me see what else I got. I have some transfers from F&M, some sample transfers from FM Expressions. I have transfers. I do want to do some videos on there just to kind of show you guys that may not have ever dealt with transfer, which I'm one of you guys that have never dealt with transfers really. I attempted to help a friend before, but you know, this is transfers, and it has some sample transfers in here that I'll be printing eventually, trying to do a video for you guys. Right here, this is Epson. This is like just their pricing list and everything for what they have. Another info sheet on their Sure Color printer that they have. Something that I probably won't get. Y'all know about your girl in Epson. And right here, this is a scissor, a book. You know, it's got the different let me see. It's got like the swatches and stuff in it, so you'll know what you're purchasing. Y'all know about your girl and Scissor also. I'm not a big Scissor fan. Right here you got HTX right here. This is heat transfer vinyls. And this is like their little swatch book. Then this is a little bit the Hytronics 360 IQ. If y'all watch my videos, y'all check that out. Then I have Mr. Barry's card from Albuquerque. They said they wanted to do a little something with me. They had asked me a while back about using my video that I did. The first time I ever used the Albuquerque VLR, they had contacted me and asked if it was okay if they used it, and I was like, sure. So So yeah, and then I got this from Specialty Materials right here. As you see, this is a book. It has all of their swatches and stuff like that in it. So when I do get ready to do the video about the vinyl sample that I have right here, I will kind of let you guys see a little bit more of that. But I'm trying to go through this video kind of quick because I got an order to print here shortly. All right, if y'all watch my video, this is one shirt that I got. It's a cat print shirt. It was printed DTG. I'm actually gonna give this shirt to my sister because she has dreads and she loves dread stuff with dreads on it. I'm gonna show it to y'all again because y'all know your girl don't. Your girl right here, I don't like cats, but I thought my sister would probably like that. But that was from GSG. If y'all watch my video, my videos from the Fort Worth ISS for this year, 2019, then you'll see that printed. And let me see, this shirt right here, I actually paid $5 for it right here. They was doing this for a cause, so you know, you gotta support sometimes. I went ahead and purchased that one just to support. What company was that? I can't even think of the company right here. But yeah, just to support one of the companies. Okay, right here. This is a shirt right here from Reese Supply. Reese Supply, they say they have one in Louisiana, but I have yet to contact them and order anything from them. My bad. I've been ordering from a couple of places out of Texas, and right here, y'all, I wanted this shirt so bad right here. I had to ask for it, yeah, because it's like they wasn't really giving out a lot of shirts, and it's long sleeve, y'all. Y'all know it's about to get cool, so this will be a good shirt to wear once it cools off. And this is a all laid or whatever you call it. I think this is Ryanette's new shirts that they have. Yeah, that's the brand of it right there. Go ahead and fold this back up and put it up. Yeah, so I can wear some of these shirts now since I'm go ahead and knocking this video out. Okay, this right here shirt, it said Aquarius. I don't even know. I don't know if I know any Aquarius, but I'm not an Aquarius. But yeah, you know, when you're just trying to get free stuff, sometimes that happens. It's from SPSI right there. Y'all can check that out. It's a nice shirt, and it's printed onto a Jersey's shirt. All right, let me see what else I got. Oh, y'all, I'm gonna say the best two things that I got for last, y'all. My best two shirts, I'm gonna say them for last. Right here, they had one of these that was printed with white ink, and I got a few of these because they was trying to give them away. They had a lot of them printed. I gave some away already, and this is also from SPSI right there. So yeah. And then this shirt right here, Ryanette always come up with some cool ideas. You know, there's some space people, astronauts in a boat right there. I had an extra one of those shirts. I gave it to my young son because they actually had one in his size. A youth extra, adult extra small. Right here, this is a shirt that was printed by 613 Originals. Right here, it was done with a transfer, so I can kind of let you guys know a little bit about that once I wear it and wash it and let y'all know about the wear. But this is their metallic, and it's not a whole lot of metallic going on there, but yeah, this is their metallic. And let me get to the next one. Okay, right here, this is another Ryanette shirt. Ryanette had a lot of different designs they was printing. They had this one on some different color shirts. Somehow I ended up with the white one. So yeah, all right, my best two shirts that I got, y'all, the best two shirts that I got at the whole thing right here. I'm gonna show you guys right here. This is from Heart and Hustle Printing, from Joe and Laurie right here. And as you see, it is their breast cancer awareness style or whatever. Heart and Hustle Printing, you know your girl gonna be supporting y'all. So if y'all haven't subscribed to Heart and Hustle Printing, y'all make sure that y'all subscribe today. And that's my shirt from Joe. And right here, You know my boy Rod Beats right here. He always hooking his girl up. You can check this out right here. His Daily Grind shirt. And you can purchase his shirts online, I believe. I'll have to double check and make sure he has this style on there, and I'll leave a link down for you below. And I'll check with Joe too and see if he's gonna be selling his on his site. And right here I have a pen from Capital One, and I also have a ink remover. This will come in handy, y'all, and you know it's my color. Look, it matches my wall perfectly. But it's an ink remover, like when your ink dries on your squeegees, you just scrape it off with this, and y'all know I do a lot of that. And right here, this is some clean green. This is just like a sample of some of the tape. They say lasts forever. It don't mess up your screens. It don't leave any sticky residue in your screen, and they say you can use it over again. So I'll be trying this out and letting you guys know about it, or what I think about it. Alright, and by the way, this is from Action Engineering. I'm sorry, I don't think I said that earlier. Let me see. And that's about all I have. I did have a few business cards. Yeah, I did have a few business cards and stuff like that, but I didn't get as many as I usually do. I was mostly socializing, but you can go to ISSshows.com to see when the next show is. The next one is actually going to be in January in Long Beach, and I think after that they're going to have the one in Atlantic City. I will be at the one in Long Beach. I am not sure about Atlantic City. I would like to go, but I will be updating you guys on that. And I appreciate you guys watching. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and to my other channel, go ahead and do that. And be sure to hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload. And also check below this video if you're interested in any of the items that I use or mention in my videos, because I try to leave links for you guys below. And you can also follow me on Instagram and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next video. Print Squad out.